guys, welcome back to the channel. Amanda Ray here. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be working on the Evo 8 and we are super excited because we've got a new JDM bumper that we're going to be installing. We are taking off the old USDM bumper that we have here. He's got that custom corn-fed license plate that I love. We are going to be transferring over the carbon spats over to the JDM, so we just kind of made them work with the USDM one. So we do have the new one right there on top of our Christmas decor. So we're going to go ahead and unravel that so we can take a look at it, and we'll be dropping that off at paint today, and we'll be getting it back on the car within a week, I would say.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Alright, ready?
Go for it. I'll let you unwrap it since it's yours. Alrighty. And here we go. Oh.
You got the OEM tow hook cover.
Oh, careful.
You got the tow hook cover in it that comes painted for some reason.
The tow hook. It comes painted?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
snazzy.
like a gray.
Yeah. It's a shiny gray too. That's weird. Why the tow hook will come painted, but the bumper's obviously not.
I don't know.
That's a little weird.
But right here, this line.
Yeah.
This line is going to be black, and then the color of the car.
Okay, so the diffuser area?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the JDM bumper. You want to put it up next to the car so they can kind of see what the difference will be. Most people know what the difference between the USDM and the JDM is going to be, but there she blows. We've got the US versus the JDM. He's going to leave the bottom part of the diffuser that you can see down there with the fins black, and then the top is going to match the color of the car. And then we'll move over the carbon spats on the US bumper right now onto this one. So right now we are going to drop off the JDM at paint, and we'll update you guys when we get it back. Alrighty guys, we are back from paint and we got the new JDM bumper back. It looks killer. The paint matches perfectly from what I can see. I can't really see the shininess on the Evo, but pretty sure this is gonna be spot on. So we're gonna go ahead and take the old bumper off and put this one on. Alright guys, so we got all the screws off that is needed. There is one that's right here, one down here. We found one here on under the taillights, so the taillights do have to come off. And then we've got the one that's behind here on either side. It's all the way behind this. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 that is located right on the inside of this. So it should essentially pop off. We shall see. You can hold the camera. Are you hot and fired off? Out with the old.
We're going to have to use some of that stuff.
In with the new.
Alright.
Alright, all this stuff has to come out, right?
Yep.
I don't know how to turn this off. So.
So the JDM bumper, this bar has to come off because it sticks out too far. So we're going to take the bar off. You want to take it off? I want to take it off. Okay. Reaches all the way. Okay. Keep it nice. Where'd the other one go? Ow! Right in the butt.
I was ready to see what happened.
I'm just gonna let it drop.
Just pull.
Pull?
There's a screwdriver in the trunk.
Yeah, you're not just pulling that, bro. It all of a sudden got really light. Alright. You're always getting dirty. We are putting on new brackets onto the JDM bumper. You do have the option to use the old one that's on the bumper now, or the old bracket, but you have to modify it. Where's the old bracket?
It's riveted to the bumper.
Well, half of it.
No, the other half. I'm talking about that half.
We're talking about these.
Ah. There are 9 rivets on each side of the bracket, which is like this.
No, not on each total.
No, on each side.
Oh, each side?
Yeah, each side has 9 on these boomerang things, which are the brackets that will hold up the bumper. It's very bright out here, so I don't know if you guys can see anything, but we are in the process of riveting everything right now. You do have the option to rivet out the old one on your old bumper and use those, which are still riveted in on this one. But we chose not to do that. We got new brackets. So we're gonna go ahead and update you guys once we get all that done and ready to put the bumper on. Alright guys, so we've got the bumper kind of resting on it. We have a couple bolts in to hold it in place. We do have the license plate bracket kind of in. We took the rivets out of the old one. Where is it? Here it is. Took the rivets out of the old one, which is here. We had to drill the rivets out down here. And we put, so those bars are what you're seeing here, except we had to push it and bend it in because it's not really what you're supposed to do, I guess. So we have a little pilot hole that we made for here. We're gonna go ahead and drill it with this so we can put the license plate on. Corn fed. I can't hold it and do it at the same time. What are you doing?
Putting this on the bumper so
Oh, protection for the bumper. Heard that.
where's the
It's homemade protection for the bumper so I don't mess it up because it is a fresh bumper. I feel like you guys don't trust me.
No, I just don't want to hear Bradley if he accidentally hit his bumper.
Oh, okay.
This is to avoid
The backlash.
yeah.
Gotcha.
Safety first.
Safety first. Heard that. Alright.
Just go slow.
There's no slow with this thing.
Yeah.
Ow, God, it's hot. Alrighty, and we've got the license plate officially mounted. If we wanted to get really OCD, we can paint these black so they blend. Oop, sorry, we can paint these black if we wanted to get really OCD so it blends in better, but the license plate is on. So we're gonna take the bumper back off so we can get everything back on for the harness and get the lights figured out, and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, so we've got the JDM bumper completely done for the most part. We just have to put it on with all the bolts. We have the wiring harness all done here. So we're literally just going to be placing it in, putting the headlight or the taillights back on, and we still have to put the spats on, which are currently on the old bumper out in the front yard. So we're gonna get all that done, and yeah, new bumper is gonna be looking awesome. Alrighty guys, so we've got the JDM bumper officially on for the Evo. It looks absolutely amazing. We have it up on the lift right now because we were gonna put the spats on, but unfortunately the spats that we have are apparently made for the US bumper. They do not fit the JDM bumper at all. So these are up for sale if anybody wants them, but they might be gone by the time you see this video, who knows. JDM bumper looks absolutely amazing. If Brad can lower the car, I can get a better view of it. Alright guys, so we've got the JD bumper completely on. It looks amazing. The carbon trunk really pops with it. I think the black on the bottom really makes a good contrast between the two. So overall, we're really happy with it. I think we are still waiting for the head to come back. Hopefully we'll get that back and we'll be able to get the Evo up and running. As far as that goes, it looks great. I'm super happy with it. The paint matches perfectly. It is absolutely flawless. Corn fed. Who else out there has a custom license plate? Let me know what you guys have. Be interested to see what everybody has. Alright, so thanks for tuning in, guys. We will catch you back up when the Evo is back on the road. Thanks.